also you will write in the your executive summary. Okay, and today we will discuss the. So you will go through. I have given you the also the notes. So you got it the already. Have you got my notes? Detail energy
Yes, sir.
audit.
Yes,
Today I
sir.
have shared already. Yeah, today I have shared already, and I am just told to you. So in the last class I have given you the assignment. 3 questions I have given you, but since it is already 10 days past, so maximum I think 50% students already submitted. Another 50% students not submitted. So it has a 5 marks. If you not submitted, it will put it 0 mark. Okay, all of you listen. So it is very important for you. Okay, so that you I am giving you, I will wait for the only today is your that is Thursday, so the maximum I will give you 1 day, that means tomorrow up to then I will now close off. I will close off the again I will write down who has not submitted. Okay, so they will not be, they will score be 0 marks. Okay, so tomorrow evening, so by tomorrow evening you have to submit your assignment. I have given 3 questions, you contact your friends. Okay, so maximum I think 60 to 70% students already submitted their assignment, and 40% students are there not already submitted. Okay, so yours, you see your, that is attendance and assignment and also your surprise test. There will be a surprise test I will take after the this class, that is a detailed energy audit. So after this module I will take the I'll give you the that is a surprise test. Okay, yeah. So about the today we will discuss the introduction about the plan. So that is after acknowledgement and executive summary, you go through your that is what I have given you the study material. Okay, the introduction about the plant. So I am now, so okay, now I am taking the attendance here. So Sir Smith, how much students today come? So I am taking the snapshot here. Manvees, Rajasmita. Okay, so I am sharing you. Yeah. Share screen, start sharing. You see, so this is the theme. So I have already given you all these things. So acknowledgement, executive summary is already discussed. Already this part is over. Now to the introduction about the plant. What you will write in the introduction in the plant? So in the introduction, so what you, the information, all the information regarding the plant in the industry. So you will write in this introduction about the plant. The first one is the general plant details and description. Are you now looking the sharing? Hello?
Yes, sir.
It is looking to you?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yeah. So this is 1.1 is general plant details and description. So you have to now all the descriptions you have to now write that means regarding the plant, the information, all the total informations. Okay, in the general plant details and description you have to write all these things. Okay, and energy audit team. What is the team? So team means what you will write in the team. Your, that is all of the auditors are there. Okay, what now it involves the, you see in the general plant details also you can say it involves the gathering system information. Okay, measuring energy use. You can say this is measuring energy use also. Okay, and about the developing conservation strategy and choosing the most cost-effective plant also. All these things to be right there, and verifying the results. Okay, all you can after finalization you can verify the results. Okay, and now you will be now submit all these things. And the very important part is the improving the energy efficiency by repeating the process now regular at irregular intervals. This is the thing. at regular interval. So you repeat and repeat the process. How you improve the energy efficiency. Okay. So this is the main objective of your work. Okay. So now then you have the energy audit team. You have an auditor. The auditor will go for the audit. Okay, to identify. Okay, and to you can say prioritize. You prioritize the opportunity for the energy saving through some data analysis. You give some priority to the energy audit and some opportunities for the energy saving. If the energy saving, that is the percentage is more, so it will be better. So how? That is through the data analysis. So you are now already, some informations are there, some data are there. So you are now collecting the data through the auditor. Auditing team will be do like this. Their work to be now collect the data. I have already told you before that. Okay. And some visual inspection is there by the auditor. Okay, by auditing team. Okay, and you can, how the use of various tools. How the use of various tools. So tools are to be used properly. So that is the audit team will be taking the care. And finally, the investigating the energy waste and ventilation and the drainage problem. So they will now see, they will now take care about the drainage problem, whether it is okay or not. The ventilation, that is whether all the ventilation process is okay or not. And the investigating the energy waste. How much energy is wasting is a very vital part, so that you can know what to do. You can saving energy. If the energy wastage is now will be minimized, then you can get a better result. Yeah, and you can also the energy efficiency will be more. Will be better, the better efficiency. Is it? Hello. Okay.
Yes,
So this is the So one by one the general plan details, then energy audit team. Then the very vital thing is to component of the production cost. Component of the production cost, that is raw material, energy, chemicals, manpower, overhead, and others. The very vital things are there. What is that? What is this? This is that is the component of the production cost. What is this? Yeah. So you have already, I have given the raw materials. What you are using the raw materials? What are chemicals now using? How many manpower are there? Whether it is 100 manpower. Okay. All these things to be now noted. And measure energy use and area. In the 1.4 introduction. In the introduction, all to be now detect. 1.4, that is measure energy use and area. How the measure? So I have already told to the measure area. You just take up the area, that is the important area. That is the illuminated area, the lighting area. That is the all the main portion of the area to be rectified, to be now rectify. Okay. So and now you have to now see the measure energy use. Where you are using the major portion of the energy you are using. Okay, and that part you have to take care. Okay, to whom? To the auditor, the team. The team or engineers to now look after here. Okay, so this is introduction. Number two is a very, very important part of the now in the industry for the plant. Production process description is a vital thing. Production process description is the vital thing of the now your audit. That is the first one is the brief description of manufacturing process. Second one, the process flow diagram. So I have already discussed the process flow diagram and the major unit operation. I have already given you that flow diagram. You have already, whether or not, and I have given or not the flow diagram. About the one diagram I have given you. Remember or not? Hello? Is it listening or not? Nobody is here. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
कौन
sir.
5 मिनिट पर ये सर कौच अरे मु गोटे मझिरे गोटे फ्लो डायग्राम चार्ट पढ़ेली फ्लो डायग्राम देखी
Yes, sir.
yeah then the major raw materials input quantity and cost. The very important part is the manufacturing process. What is the manufacturing process? So manufacturing, it refers to the process of converting the raw material into useful product. Understood? You can write all this one sentence you can write. It refers to the process of converting the raw material into useful product. Okay? And so you have to now select the raw material. Okay? And material processing. You have to select. And this production process, so it is a value adding process. It is a value adding process. Allowing also business purposes to sell after finishing the product. You are now going to sell. अरे कौन करियो से product को रखी बसियो कि so you will sell the product. केमती at a higher cost, so that your benefit company अधिका benefit पाइबो. So you will be sell the finished the product at a higher cost. क्या ऊपर ना over the value of the raw materials used. How you are now using the raw materials after the above that, so you will see what is the benefit. Okay, so after now selling, so you will sell, the company will sell the product at a higher cost. So the manufacturing process is some example is the casting, casting, leveling, painting, molding, machining, forming. Yes, so all these things are the manufacturing process. Okay. In how the manufacturing is a process is how a company builds or creates a product. Amar kamo hola to product bahar kariya sichi, so that ame bahar sell kariba, selling in the outside. Okay or not? It is emphasized that it is composed of 3 major elements. This manufacturing cost. The manufacturing cost is composed of 3 major elements. That is the labor. First is the labor. Kete tonka labor nahi hochundi. Direct labor ko asiwa, materials and overhead. It depends upon all these things. So whenever it is now they are calculating, so you will see all these things. Okay, and the vital things are there are 3 types of the process of manufacturing. Okay, so number 1 is the chemical process, thermal process and mechanical process. Okay, hello, is it now listening or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is the 3 types of process are there for the manufacturing. In the chemical process, what you are doing in the chemical process? In the chemical process, you are using the chemicals to change a raw material into an industrial material. Our motto to industrial material. So now chemical to change to industrial material. Using chemicals, you are now using the chemicals. What is doing? So to change, it can change to a raw material into an industrial material. Number 2 is the thermal process. What is the thermal process? It is also same thing. It is using heat. It is using heat. Are thermal le kaun ame use korche? Heat. Then this heat to change a raw material into an industrial material. Okay. Then the third thing is the mechanical process. What is you doing the mechanical process? Okay. So what you are doing? So same thing. So you are using that physical. You are now physically now doing. So workers are there. So many things are there. So this physical means to change the raw material into an industrial material also. Okay, so these are the three processes for the manufacturing. Understood all of you or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
These are the theories you have to write yourself. I am elaborating something. If you need, then you can write some points. But I have given you the notes I have given you. So, but all these things, so I am now going to discuss. So these are the to be you write yourself. Then you study something from your YouTube and somewhere, so you can write anything like about this. Okay, so this is the major things now in the production process description. Okay, now the third is, you go to the third, the energy and utility system description. Energy and utility system description. This is the third criteria. All are now going, you are now writing the report about all these things. Now you are the auditor, you are the audit team, so you are going to write the report on the detailed energy audit. How to write? So now we are going through all these throws. 1, 2, 3, acknowledgement, executive summary, introduction about the plant, production process description. Then you are coming to the energy and utility system description. So by this way, so you are now maintaining your report, detailed energy audit. So this is the process. It would have a long question. So it is a long question, maybe short question, maybe long questions. Okay. So that in the third, that is criteria, the first is the list of utilities. And here given, all the utilities given here. You would ask talk about entry. So I am okay. So now this is the okay. So you have already seen all these things. So I am going to back. You would ask coded to ask. कौन करियो से तो पिला मझिरे आसीबे प्रॉब्लम करियो कौन करियो या की आसुच so 66 students are there. Sandeep Raut left. Sandeep तो देबिनी आज अटेंडेंस लेखिक रखली संदीप लेफ्ट तो में एमती जो सो फटाफट जॉइन हे गला उथरे ओके वेरी गुड ओके so now we'll go for the yes Adjasa Amit Panigrai देखो क्लास संदीप राउत सब लेफ्ट हो जाओ so अरे गोटे 10 मिनट 5 मिनट न जाओ you are leaving दी अटेंडेंस सुशील स्वाई मोर सब ना मन रहउची तमे सब एमती लेफ्ट हेले मो भाई मते देखा जाउची प्रतिभा बेहरा कोन करियो ओके so now we will go for the energy utility system description. The list of the utility. What are the lists of the utilities? The first one is the electricity. You know, all of you. Before that, I have already told you the utilities, the electricity, the utility, steam. Steam is also one utility. Okay, the power plant, steam. Okay, then the second, third thing is the water. It's very essential part in the industry. Then compressed air. Chilled water, cooling water, all these things. So I have given all these things to you. Okay. So these are the list of utilities. Now, so you will be go one by one. So all this to be, you can write. So what is the use of water? You know. What is the use of steam? What is the electricity? What is the use of electricity? You know it very well. Okay. All these things are there. Okay. And number 4 is detailed process flow diagram and energy and material balance. Flow chart showing flow rate, temperature, pressure of all input and output stream. Okay, so this is a flow chart. So I will come to that flow chart. Okay, then this is the water balance for entire industry. So water balance is a essential part. How to balance your water? अरे को जगह को वाटर पानी जीवो केमती जीवो को प्रकार जीवो by which way? So this is a also a what is a designing there. This is a water balance system you are telling, that is for the entire, that is for the industry. Okay, and energy efficiency in utility and process system. In the fifth, so you are going to now describe energy efficiency in utility and process system. Okay, that means you know flow diagram. So before that I have discussed in the flow diagram the last class I have already described a flow chart, flow diagram for you. Okay, so I have a seed I have taken and some collaboration of the liquor and something, that is a flow chart I have given to you. Okay, so now this is the 5.1 is the specific energy consumption. What is the consumption of energy there? Okay, what you are now you are consuming the energy, that is specific energy consumption. Then boiler efficiency attempts. What is the boiler? You are using the boiler. What is the efficiency of the boiler? Okay. Then thermic fluid heater performance assessment. So one by one. So you just write the points only. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 points are there. So in the question paper, answer paper, you will write the point. Okay. That is the furnace efficiency, boiler efficiency. Furnace is there. So what is the efficiency of the furnace? What is the efficiency of the water efficiency? Then you are going to discuss the DG set performance. There is a DG set. Okay. So what is the performance assessment of the DG set? There is some refrigeration unit are there. So in this system, that is what is the performance of the refrigeration system? Then all things to be now written here one by one. So these are the now one by one. So the energy audit. So you will be take an audit of all these things, and electric motor analysis, load analysis, what much of the load. Okay, and lastly the lighting system. Okay, how much now it is consuming energy in the lighting system in the total industry. So you have to all this 1 to 10. So you have to now one by one, only one line to be right, nothing else. To be now discussed only 1 to 10. Okay, so this is the energy audit now report. You will take a report only 1 to 2 lines given. There is a DG set performance assessment. How now DG sets are there? How it is a performance assessments are there? Okay. And the lighting system, in the lighting there is so many lighting systems are there in the some area, in the that is in the particular area, in the which area now it is consuming how much energy. So that will be, you will be give the report. Okay. Yeah. So understood or not? Hello, Ankit. अंशुमान अरे के अरे मो कथा तुमको शुभुची ना ना किसी शुभुनी हेलो
Yes, sir.
Subuchi sir. It's Subuchi.
तुम्हें तो किसी वो ना सुना अरे कौन अरे ये पाठटा सेया it is a theory portion, only theory. So that so I have given you the already study material. So before that I have already given you, and only point to point, one by one point to be remember. Whatever question asibo, the write down the energy efficiency in utility and process system. What is the energy efficiency in utility and process system? You will write this 10 points only. Whatever line like it is 5 marks, so you will write that is 10 lines to 12 lines, 15 lines. Are you understood or not? Hello. So how to write like this? This is all the theory portions are here. Okay. About these things to be, so you have to, so how to write mate koila theory, whenever it is coming a theory part, how you will write mate ke koi paribo, what is just we discuss. Adyasa?
Yes, sir.
How you will write? So I am now discussing about the detailed energy audit. So many things acknowledgement koili, executive summary told about the introduction koili, production process kote koili, so many things are the production kete prakaro kono. Okay, so utility koili, there is so many things in the utility, water, steam, electricity. So tamara in the exam hall tamara kichi man no rahi padlani lekhya pe, so tama kemte how to na kichi lekhibani khata dei dei pades.
Sir, short lekhibi.
How mate more tike pacharchi, how you will write?
Sir,
This is not, yeah. one point please
acknowledgement ଯେମିତି showing our gratitude to the officials ଏମିତି describe କରିକିନା
ତାହେଲେ କେମିତି ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ତମେ କେମିତି ଭାବିବ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଲେଖିବି ଏଇ ଏଟାକୁ ଲେଖିପାରିବି
yes sir
ତମର କିଛି ମନେ ପଡିଲାନି ମାନେ ତମର କିଛି ବଟ୍ in this paper ପିଲା କେହି ଫେଲ ହବାର ନାହିଁ they all will score a good marks
yes sir sir point wise short ରେ ଲେଖିବେ ସବୁ topic ର
1 point very good Ansuman what is your in knowledge
सर पॉइंट वाइज सर सब टॉपिक ऊपर सब लिख
पॉइंट टा केମିତି ମନେ ରଖିବା ଆମେ ମନେ କର କିଛି ହଠାତ୍ ମନେ ପଡିଲାନି କଣ ଗୋଟେ ପାଠ କିଛି ମନେ ରହୁନି ନାଇଁ କଣ କରିବା क्वेश्चन पढ़ला क्वेश्चन 5-7 ଟା ପଢିଛି ଆମେ କଣ କରିବା how will write questions answers this is the idea so take some idea
सर ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट सब रिलेटेड थी से आंसर
या देखो सब गुडा को देखो तुमको एका एका भलिया लागुथो ओके सो व्हाट आई एम डिस्कसिंग देखो तुमको से लागुथो जे सब गुडा सर गोटे एका एका जिंस कहउछन बट यू रिमेंबर सम पॉइंट्स किछि याकू देखिबा दरकार नै नथिंग एल्स टू बी यू जस्ट रिमेंबर सो मेनी पॉइंट्स ओनली दैट्स ऑल अर्नित पंडा अर्नित आशीष
यस सर
ताके नान दिगरे हां कोन करिया तो केमते लिखियो मते दे कहू एग्जाम रे गोटे क्वेश्चन आसीची और तोर किछ मन पड़नी से लिखिची प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस राइट द प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस डिस्क्रिप्शन सुने मु गोटे क्वेश्चन करते पचारली राइट द प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस डिस्क्रिप्शन इन डिटेल एनर्जी ऑडिट प्रिपेयर ए रिपोर्ट कोन लिखियो मु एबे लेखा कथा कोनी केमती गोटे जस्ट टू गोटे मते गोटे जस्ट कह केमती कोन माने चिंता करि परिबो
सर आउटडी कहबे सर
What is the production process description in detail energy audit?
सर बेसिकली पॉइंट वाइज जहाँ भी तार सब डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एट्रिब्यूट्स थिबो ताको मेंशन करके टिके टिके एक्सप्लेन करबे
प्रोसेस डिस्क्रिप्शन वो केते जिंस कहलेनी प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस ऊपर एनीबॉडी विश्वा
यस सर
हाउ टू राइट
सर हमें प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखिबा तादरे पॉइंट आसीबो कि ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस तापरे
वेरी गुड इसे छोड़ सब कथा छड़ा तमे फर्स्ट थिंग इज ब्रीफ द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस हला मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज व्हाट तुमको कहली केमिकली सो दैट इज कौन तीनटा पॉइंट कहिछि मु हैं मैकेनिकल केमिकल अपन गोटे कहली बस वेरी गुड अरे भलो मन रखुची हैं अरे गला सो तीनटा पॉइंट धरला ताकू धरि कि यू एलाबोरेट दैट थिंग आ तमे कहयो मु बेटा पढाई नतिरा अमक कि सेटा सारे ई पॉइंटटा कहि नतिले सो यू राइट एंड एलाबोरेट मु सब कहि चलची सो यू एलाबोरेट दिस थिंग्स अंडरस्टूड के मु बे काउ पचार फील करला के गोटे पचार फील का आशुतोष अरे आशुतोष
यस सर
अरे किसी बुझी परछ नाही ए पाठरे किसी के माने सब जिंस पढ़ाई छात्र किसी तुम भाबियो जे किसी माने कोटा लिखि कोन लिखि तो यू ओनली एलाबोरेट टेक सम पॉइंट तमे आईडिया यूज टेक आईडिया फर्स्ट दी तीनटा पॉइंट तुम माइंड रे लिख से बही रे थाउ न थाउ बुझी परछ तो अरे बही रे सब जिंस अछि अब तमर मन पड़नी सो दी तीनटा तमे गोटा जिंस यू टेक सम आईडिया तमे छतले टेक रीडिंग 2 to 3 times रीडिंग टेक अरे एडा तमे जेतले व्हेनेवर एडा हमें काई व्हाई मते किए गोटा कहयो बर्तन मोय पाठ फाट छाड़ दिले बर्तन सम आस्किंग आई त्रिपाठी आयुष अरे विल डिस्कस समथिंग आयुष अरे ये आयुष मन देखा नहीं से कोडे बडे पळेला अरे हमें ता भीतर समथिंग खाली पाठ जे पढिबा खाली नहीं तो सम विल डिस्कस समथिंग आयुष किछि से बतन नाही एठी ବିଲାସିନୀ ମାଝୀ
ସାର୍ ସେ ଅଛି ମେସେଜ କରୁଛି।
କରୁଛି ମୁଁ କଣ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛି ମୁଁ ଏପଟେ ବିଲାସିନୀ ମାଝୀ
Yes,
ମୁଁ ତ
sir.
ଯାହା ନା ପଚାରିଲା ହଁ ବିଲାସିନୀ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
Yes, sir.
तो पार्टी टा
Yes,
बड़ा
sir.
करी कह मत किसी सुबुनी अरे यस ऑलरेडी टू सबमिटेड योर असाइनमेंट
हाँ कर दीजिए।
कर दीजिए गुड गुड बटन द हाउ टू you do not know anything about the what a subject by evaporative energy something so how to think so I will write some 10 lines
सो को मैंने तार डेफिनेशन देबी तापर कोटी यूज हुए एप्लीकेशंस कोन केते टाइप रा
yeah good
आ तर कोन
सेति की
सेति की सर
introduction about the plant कहला मते खाली गोटे छोटो जिनिसटा एटा introduction about the plant introduction about the your university about something about your industry Vipul Jain
Yes, sir.
so there is some introduction about the plant there's so many things in the introduction तमरो पचारिबो तुमको what is your you give your introduction तमे कोन करछो अच्छा man to man differ कि नहीं
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
विश्वमोहन अच्छा देवी प्रसाद
Yes, sir.
तुमको इंट्रोडक्शन पचारि गायत्री लेफ्ट जमी अच्छा तमे जहाँ इंट्रोडक्शन दब तुम जस्ट नेबर से इंट्रोडक्शन दब ना सम डिफरेंट दब अरे तमे इंट्रोडक्शन देला माय नेम इज अमक सी एडू कहला माय नेम इज अमक मोर गाँ या मोर अमक या सी तापर कहला सब माय नेम इज अमक कह कि सी आउ किछि 4-5 लाइन ऐड कला अरे तम इंट्रोडक्शन जेतले तमे यू आर नाउ देखो तमे गोटे जाउचो इंटरव्यू को जाउचो सो विथ पुटिंग ए गुड ड्रेस और नॉट अरे तमे निजे गोटे पुटिंग भलो ड्रेस फ्रेस पिंदी की जाउचो तू काहे व्हाई अरे काहे की व्हाई यू आर नाउ पुटिंग ए भलो स्मार्ट है कि व्हाई यू आर गोइंग देयर अरे कौन किछि नहीं तमे गोटे इंडस्ट्री तमे आसीनो आगु को आसीबो एटा 5th सेमेस्टर 7th सेमेस्टर 8th सेमेस्टर यू विल जस्ट अपीयर द कैंपस सिलेक्शन नो व्हाई चितरंजन पोथल व्हेनेवर से छाड़ा तमे गोटे बाहर को गले अगर ड्रेस अप होके जाउछ नै रे बाबू हेलो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
व्हाई मो पचारछि
Sir, to look.
it is related to also these things also
Sir, to look presentable.
अरे काहे की हैं
सर लोक देखिले बढ़िया कहिए।
बढ़िया माने सेटा बढ़िया कहे ना तमे सुन तमे 5 जण जाउछ सो तम जनक ऊपर इंटरेक्शन रहउछ अधिका व्हाई से तार ड्रेस अप थिबो तार बिहेवियर ठीक थिबो से कथा वार्ता कला बेले से इट इज अ गुड लुकिंग गुड बिहेवियर गुड टॉकिंग अरे अंडरस्टूड और नॉट
लोकटा आई दियो सर।
आई कैचिंग वेरी गुड इट्स आई कैचिंग यस अच्छा सो 5 जण जेतले बसो इन इंटरव्यू बसिथिबे तो 5 जण तमे आंसर दउथबो सो गोटे जणे सेतरे टॉप टॉपर होउची ना नहीं अरे जा समस्त टॉपर रही जाउछंती अरे आई एम आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चन
सर जणे होउची सर।
बस व्हाई जे तारो इन द फ्रॉम द एवरी सोर्स एवरी कर्नर्स सो दे आर लुकिंग ओके आर नॉट ना खाली से ड्रेस अप की पळेला हबनी से दे आर द टॉकिंग आल्सो देयर आर आंसर्स आल्सो ओके अरे हां ना नहीं यस और नो लिप्सा नायक तू मझिरे पळैथिलु बोते लिप्सा हेलो लेफ्ट जाइथिलु आउतरे आछछु ना कोन हेलो लिप्सा लिप्सा नायक कौन से किसी कौन कहूँ किसी सुबुन एम के शांतनु
Yes, sir.
हाँ so what I am going to say so all this the energy audit detailed energy audit you are writing a report about the detailed energy audit now describing all these points So I am giving all these examples to you so that you will be writing yourself. So you just think over about it and note down some points, then elaborate all these points. Understood? Paul Smita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Next is now we'll go through the last second point is that means the energy efficiency in utility and process system. So we will go through 10 points. Okay, in these 10 points, there's so many things are there. So now I told you about that is the boiler, that is the furnace, cooling water system, refrigeration unit, okay, and your DG set, electric motor, compressed air system, and lighting system. All these things to be noted in 1 by 1.1 line only. So what you are now, how you are using, and how much you are using, that is the how much you are wastaging, that is the cost efficiency. All these things to be now you will be give a report. Okay. And the 6th point is the energy conservation options and recommendation. This is also a part. Energy conservation options and recommendation. In the first point, list of option in terms of low cost, but no cost. List of option in terms of low cost or no cost, then medium cost, then high cost, investment cost. Whether it is a low cost, is in a medium cost, or in the high cost. So you now choose first. Then annual energy and cost saving and payback period. Okay, so about this is also vital thing. So I'll be telling the payback period and everything the next class, the payback period. Okay, so that is a payback period is also, it is a vital things in the first chapter, the payback period. What is a payback period? Any idea about the payback period?
The period it will be required so the period
Yes,
that
yes.
will be required to recover the amount that is invested in a particular project or a particular machinery.
Good. That is the simple payback period. It is one also, there is a formula also about here. So how to calculate the payback period? Okay, that is calculated by, you will be now choose a first cost, total cost divided by yearly benefit minus yearly cost. The total cost, the first cost of the product or the company divided by the yearly benefits of the total yearly benefit of the company minus yearly cost. So this is the formula. So I'll describe all these things. So let us describe simple payback period for a some things. So that is a cost of 60 lakhs to purchase something. Okay, one product to be purchased, that is a 60 lakhs to purchase and install. So you will be now install 60 lakh टंका तमे purchase करियर अछि. So you will be install 1.5 lakhs per year. 1.5 lakhs per year you will be invest on an average to operate and maintain, and is expected to save 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs से तेरे देखो जो तमें save ही पाऊँ. Okay. And how to calculate your payback period? मैं तुमको कहली total cost is your जोटा estimate करछो, that is the 60 lakhs divided by तमरा expected saving, yearly benefit saving होउची तमरा 20 lakhs तमे आगरो प्रोजेक्ट करि सरछो. But now installing your 1.5 lakhs per year, that is 20 minus 1.5, 60 divided by 20 minus 1.5 केते आउछे देखिला. Total investing हेला 60 lakhs. Simple payback period for a continuous देई चलछ पैसा for the 60 lakhs total ta enrollment hela 60 lakhs and now you are paying 1.5 lakhs per year ବର୍ଷକୁ 1.5 lakhs ଦଉଛ and ତମର maintaining ଚାଲିଛି and expecting your saving is 20 lakhs then how is your payback period? So the payback period is nothing but 60 divided by 20 minus 1.5 लेला ये this is 18.5 38 3 years 3 months that is 3.3 the simple payback period is your 3 years 3 months this is the payback period this is the payback period that means what is the payback period in a shorter payback jodi chot kame dava payback period ko shorter payback period generally indicates a more attractive investment okay hello hello अरे किसी के किसी टोटल के ना किसी बुझिलन एटा हेलो शांतनु शांतनु
Yes, sir.
तमे सेविंग चलेछ फर्स्ट ईयर केते सेविंग सेकंड ईयर सेविंग थर्ड ईयर सेविंग फोर्थ ईयर सेविंग एमती चलछि ओके तो प्रति वर्ष 1.5 लाख देगी तमे ये चलिछ देई चलिछ पैसा तमने तमरो पे बैक पीरियड ता तमे 3 वर्ष 3 मास रे आसी पे बैक so this is the simple payback period in this payback period तमने this is now related to your energy audit investment केते हिची लाभ केते हिची तमे केते दिन रे पैसा देइछो ये बैंकिंग सिस्टम पूरा ओके सो सेटा जिंस हमें देखिबा ताको सो इन दैट टू बी कैलकुलेट द लो कॉस्ट एंड मीडियम कॉस्ट एंड हाई कॉस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट okay the next class will discuss about this about the low medium and high kemti hochi kon hochi ta we will see okay and so you go through acha mu joda deisi first you go through so I have given you before seti lagi mu aji dei deisi tumku so already given to you the study material you go through the study material 6 number 6 energy conservation option and recommendation so you go through this and annexure so go through the annexure and there is so many tables are there okay you go through ठीक है पढ़ा पिछड़ा ठीक पढ़ी के आस्ती हो समझते प्रसन्नजीत हेलो प्रसन्नजीत हेलो अरे